Pasok na sa semifinals ang Bulgaria matapos talunin ang USA sa quarterfinals match ng 2025 FIVB Volleyball Men's World Championship. Narito ang report ni Jamaica Vayaca.
Nakapagdala ng malaking sorpresa ang Bulgaria matapos lumaban mula sa dalawang set na kabiguan at talunin ng United States sa isang reverse sweep. 21-25, 19-25, 25-17, 25-22 at 15-13. Matapos ang mahigpit na laban kagabi sa Mall of Asia Arena, pinangunahan ni Alexander Nikolov ang opensiba ng Bulgaria para maisulat ang kanilang pagbabalik sa semifinals ng World Championship.
We have 2 games. We got to win one of them to get a medal. We're going to give it our absolute all. We got to rest now because today was very tough on the physique and on the mind. We got to rest and get ready for war. We're not going to go down easy. That's a promise. He kept trusting me to set me the ball in the very important moments, and I had to repay him. Like I said, with all my team, but him especially because he gave me all the trust, and I had to repay him.
Ito ang kauna-unahang pagkakataon sa loob ng 19 na taon na makabalik sila sa Final Four. Matapos ang huling pagsali noong 2006 sa Japan kung saan nakapagtapos sila ng ikatlong pwesto. Dahil sa panalong ito, patuloy na nabibigyan ng pag-asa ang Bulgarian squad na makabalik sa tugatog ng volleyball.
We're gonna fight like absolute dogs until the last point. Like we fought today, even when it looked like the game was slipping away, and it felt like it was slipping away. We showed some character and we came back, beating an incredible team of the US who played a great game today and the whole tournament. So we're gonna fight to the very last point. I promise that.
Samantala, nabigo ang United States na makatawid sa semifinals para sa ikalawang sunod na taon. Nalimitahan sila sa ika-6 na pwesto noong 2022 at muli na namang nadapa sa yugtong ito ng torneo.
I think Bulgaria maybe had a couple more. They probably overall had a little more experience than our team, and so they changed their game in the middle of that match, and it took us a little while to adjust and to capitalize on it. A couple weird plays in the in the 4th and 5th set. They miscommunicate and bump a ball over on 2, and it falls in the middle because nobody's ready for that. We run into each other, not looking, both looking at the ball and running into each other. Certain things like that. Some really weird plays happened tonight.
Makakaharap ng Bulgaria ang bansang Czechia sa semi-finals habang magtatapat naman ng Poland at Italy sa September 27 sa Mall of Asia Arena. Jamaica Vayaca para sa atletang Pilipino, para sa bagong Pilipinas.